I ordered this trailer hitch coupler for my trailer. This is a 2 5/16 inch trailer coupler, so it handles a 2 5/16 ball. Let's take this thing out of the packaging and check it out. So this is the trailer hitch coupler. It's set up for channel mounting. So if you have the channel that's like a big U-shaped channel on your trailer, this should be able to line up with it. It does come with the needed bolts that are supposed to be at the same rated capacity as the trailer tongue, if not more, of course. This one says it is class 4, 14,000 pound capacity, ball size 2 5/16. This is what the bottom looks like. It's all welded up. Here's the latch. And basically you just pop this open, put the ball in, pop it back down. You put these bolts right here into this, tighten it down nice and tight on your trailer. And looks like it comes with all the hardware and everything you need. I'm gonna be getting this put on my trailer, and I hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.